It is already 2:20 p.m. Yesterday we had AM classes and I was freaking out because I thought it was already deadline for this plate. This is our of history of architecture plates. So I chatted like one of my classmates or two of my classmates only to find out that the deadline was not yesterday. We literally have like 3 to 4 days left. But still I was glad that I'm able to finish it. Not really finish because I still need to put background in this and to like edit the info. I listed these things as my agenda or to-do list, but I know very well that I will not be able to finish them. But here I have my planning webinar, planning notes, planning reviewer, this HOA plate 2. I was supposed to finish it today. And lastly, I have my calculus module. Now I'm just gonna go and finish this plate. My battery is running low and I have to charge it.
Water natin papunta sa septic tank is meron tayong graph mag-get to go table dun sa National Plumbing Code of the Philippines kung saan tatapat yung pinaka total doon natin makukuha yung proper sizing naman ng mga pipe na ginagamit natin for inlet and out. Parate na napunta dito, may ipon dito sa septic tank ng then yung
been raining for like many hours now. And look at my freaking ceiling. It's it's moist, and if you see that like little shine there, that's literally water, and it's dripping up to my floor. 2 minutes later and it started to literally drop. Like over here, there were droplets of water, and oh, what's that? There's now like waterfalls in my room. I had to like put this rag here, and you can already see how wet it is. I know you see that. She has a waterfall in her room or something. Right there, so many. It won't even stop. Like there's another one like here. Here. Girl! Hey friends, so I think that this will be the last day of this video because it's getting a little bit too long, and I'm just collectively so tired. Like 2 days ago, the rain was so freaking hard. Water started dripping from my wall and from my ceiling. So I did not film at all that day because it's literally raining so hard that I had to monitor my floor. We're so busy at school. It's our undas break, but we have so much stuff to do. We have so much deadlines after the break itself, so you can't really take a break. I think I'll just end it over here. Thank you so much if you're still here.